So employment law, she started doing law firm 3 years ago. So talk to me about that. How did you always know you wanted to do employment law, or did it kind of just fall into it? I know every lawyer's kind of story is different, how they get in their field of law, very similar to medicine, but how did you jump into employment law?
So I took a class, my second year of law school. It was an employment law class, and kind of like a funny story. I ended up taking that class because the professor who was teaching it gave me my lowest grade my first year of law school, and I was an athlete in high school, so I was always like this, competitive, nature in me to get back at her as if she did something wrong to me.
Yeah.
And it turns out that this was the first time that, the material was kind of jumping off the page. And I was just
Okay.
like, instantly, light bulb went off like, wow, this is something I'm really, really interested in. And I ended up doing very well in that class. I got what's called a book award.
Nice.
For law students, that just means it's the top grade in the class. And then I took an internship with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, also known as the EEOC,
Yeah.
which is sort of the epicenter for federal agency taking on employment discrimination claims. I did
Yeah.
that during 2008 recession, lots of layoffs, lots of people filing for discrimination. So at a time when there was just like a flood of cases that came in, and the government needed all the help that they could get, so they brought on some law students. And to answer your question, it was just like one of those light bulb moments. I'm very grateful that I had it because I know a lot of people still haven't had that light bulb moment,
Yeah.
maybe 10, 15, 20 years into their career. And for me, it was in that second year employment law class that I just knew this is what I wanted to do.